Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Isana Josephine Garcia, 43 years old, married with 2 kids. My height is 147 centimeter. I don't have any longer medication or maintenance. I don't have any disease. I am graduated in high school. I have work experience in Singapore, 2 years and 10 months. My work duties are take care, take caring of kids, house cleaning, cooking Chinese food, doing the laundry, ironing, and car washing. I have also experience in Hong Kong with 8 years and 2 months. My first employer, my duties are taking care of children, house cleaning, cooking Chinese food, doing the laundry, and ironing. My second employer, my work duties are taking of children, house cleaning, cooking Chinese food, ironing, do the laundry and take care of cats. My previous employer, my working duties are taking care of kids, house cleaning, cooking Chinese food, do the laundry, and ironing and marketing. My preferred duties are I'm willing to take care of children. I'm willing to take care healthy elderly, and I'm willing to take care pets with cats or small dogs. Ma'am and Sir, hope you give me a chance to as a helper. I will do my best to serve your family. I am hardworking person. Thank you and God bless.